Dear children, hope you all are fine, staying safe in home. Let us start our learning process. I am happy to meet you all. Welcome to social class. Do you know about the earth? Correct. Earth is a living planet. Why it is a living planet? Excellent. Because land, water, heat is available in a optimum level. So it is called as a living planet. The next question, why Earth is a blue planet? Very good. You are correct. 71% of Earth is covered by water. So Earth is called as a blue planet. It is otherwise called as a watery planet. This and all we'll studied in a 6th standard. Isn't it? Yes. The earth is our homeland. Its surface has mountains, plains, plateaus, valleys, etc. Isn't it? Yes. It has mountains, plains, plateaus and valleys. The earth's surface is constantly undergoing changes inside and also the outside. Have you think what lies in the interior of the earth? Now we are going to learn about the interior of the earth. The structure of the earth may be compared to that of an apple. Apple is a fruit, isn't it? Have you all seen the apple? If you cut the apple, there will be 3 layers, isn't it? Like that only our earth also has 3 shells. The earth is spherical in shape, is found to be 3 concentric circles. They are the crust, the mantle and the core. Now we are going to learn each and everything in detail. The first one is a crust. The crust is a outermost layer of the earth. The crust is a outermost layer. Its average thickness varies from 5 to 30 kilometers. It is about 35 kilometers on a continental mass and only 5 kilometers on a ocean floor. Where we are living? We are living in a crust, isn't it? Yes. The continental crust is less dense than the oceanic crust because it is made up of light and dense rock types. The oceanic crust is composed mostly of dense rock such as basalt. The upper part consists of granite rocks and forms the continents. It has the main minerals of silica and alumina. So it is collectively referred to Sial. Sial means S-I-A-L. Sial. S-I for silica, A-L for alumina. It has an average density 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. The lower part is continuous zone of denser basaltic rock forming the ocean floors. That is SIMA. S-I-M-A. SIMA. S-I stands for silica and M-A. M-A means magnesium. It has an average density of 3 grams per centimeter cube. The Cl means silica and aluminium. SIMA means silica and magnesium together form a earth crust. Since Cl is lighter than SIMA, the continents can be said to be floating on a sea. The next layer we are going to learn about the mantle. The next layer beneath the crust is a mantle. The mantle is about 2,900 kilometers thick. It is divided into two parts. It is upper mantle and a lower mantle. Mantle is divided into two, that is called as the upper mantle and also the lower mantle. The upper mantle density is 3.4 to 4.4 gram per centimeter cube. It extends down to 700 kilometers. The next type is a lower mantle. As I said, no. The lower mantles have the density 4.4 to 5.5 gram per centimeter cube. It extends from 700 to 2,900 kilometers. The next type is a core. The innermost layer of the earth is called as a core. The core is innermost. The innermost layer of the earth is called as a core. It is also known as a barosphere. The core also divided into two parts. They are outer core and also inner core. The outer core has rich in iron. It is in a liquid state. It extends between 2,900 to 5,150 kilometers. The next type, the inner core composed of nickel and ferrous. N-I-F-E. Ni stands for nickel. Fe. Fe means ferrous. It is in solid state. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. It extends from 5,150 kilometer to 6,370 kilometers. The average density of core is 13 gram per centimeter cube. Let us recall what we learned today. We learned today about our earth. The next, we studied about the structure of the earth. Next, layers of the earth. What are the layers of the earth? Crust, mantle, and a core. In the crust, what we learned, the crust is the outermost layer of the earth. The crust is the outermost layer of the earth. The upper part consists of granite rocks and forms the continents. It has a main minerals of silica and alumina. Cl, that means Cl. Si means silica, Al, alumina. Next we learned about Sima. Lower part consists of Sima. Sima means Sima. Sima means silica and magnesium. Then next we studied about mantle. Upper mantle and a lower mantle. The next layer beneath the crust is a mantle. After the crust, the mantle is located. Next we learned about the core. The innermost layer of the earth is called as a core. The inner core composed of nickel and ferrous. Outer core consists of rich in iron. It is in a liquid state. Have you understand, students? Thank you, students. We will meet in a next class.